I hate my life. I hate it. I hate it. Oh, great. And now there's coffee everywhere. This day is going fan-fucking-tastic. Back to my fucking travesty of a life. My phone. Can you tell? Can you tell how cracked it is? Can you tell how cracked my stupid fucking phone is? Yeah, it doesn't have a back right now. Because I've spent the last hour and a half getting flipping back off. And then I have, wait, where is it? This little screwdriver right here, you know. I'm thinking it's a Phillips head. And it's not. Yep. And I have a giant mess right now all in front of me. I went to 3 different stores to try and find a stupid screwdriver. And none of them have one. So, I'm freaking out. Because I can't get these stupid screws out. Why isn't this working? Is this working? No, it's not working. Oh my god. I've literally tried everything. Let's try the knife now. Oh my god. Again. Pro tip. Don't break your phone. Don't let anyone else hold your phone, because they will break it. It's not working. This was from removing. I stabbed myself. You can't tell, but I stabbed myself. There's literally glass everywhere. This is what... It was already cracked, but this is the old back of my phone. I hate my life right now. My room is now a mess. At this point, I'm looking for anything that could open this phone. I have an idea.
A few moments later.
The last time I tried to open one of these, it went everywhere. Whoa. I'm gonna step on that. That one too. Ow, I think I cut myself. Yep. It's officially the second injury, everyone. I hate my life. Ow. This might have been a bad idea. Let's see if this even works. Store razors don't work. I'm a computer scientist. I computer stuff. I don't screwdriver. I computer stuff. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Please let there be a screwdriver. Be heartless. Oh no, there isn't a screwdriver. It's too big. I'll be right back.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
It's a bookmark. Oh my god, my life is a mess. My room is a mess now. Okay. Back to work. I started this at 3:30. It's officially 5:15. I have no choice but to fix this. I have no choice but to fix this. Why couldn't I just be like a normal person who goes to a repairman? Oh my god, Lord, I'm a fucking idiot. I think I melted this. That's why that wasn't working. It's burnt. I don't know how I did that. I'm pretty sure I had gloss on my fingers. It's not working. I'm gonna get a bigger knife.
Six and a half hours later.
I decided against the big knife. I figure it's not the best idea. I got different knives though. We'll see what happens. What else do I do? Maybe this will work. Doesn't fit. Alright, let's have a real talk right now. That doesn't fit. It's moving. It's moving. Don't stab the phone. Don't. I got it. I don't screw out. I gotta screw out. I need to protect it. Let's use a shot glass. One down. 11 more to go. Alright, back to what I was saying. This is the second thing I tried, and it didn't work. So, I went and got my knife. The one I always use for cutting cheese. Oh my god, don't break on me now. Can't have you break on me. And then I looked all over the house and I couldn't find a screwdriver. I literally thought I had one, and that's why I didn't bother going out to get one. I think they'll be easier to put back in, right? So, I go to the dollar store. I go, because I remember seeing like these eyeglass kits, and I know my mom bought one from there at some point, because I remember having it. I remember having it here. So I was like looking around for it. I was like, you know, okay, no biggie. I'll go to the dollar store. And they don't have one. I was like, okay, you know what? I have no fucking idea what I'm gonna do. So I look around the dollar store and literally they don't have anything. They have nothing that I can use. Maybe if I put this back on here, it'll be easier. This is what I stabbed myself before with. So, you'd think I'd be more careful. Oh, it's beautiful. know why I ever took it out. Oh, I remember why. To use the other side. Literally. I also burnt myself a few times because, fun fact, you have to heat up the phone in order to take off the back. Did you know that? You want to know what I think? I think the fact that I chiseled this down, because, like, look at this. It's supposed to be sharp. It was already kind of dull, but, like, not that dull. Making sure I don't stab the battery and explode. It would not be good right now. Can you guess what time it is? Because I was like, you know what? It's not going to take me more than 2 hours to do this. You know, it's not, I mean, it's hard, but it's not that hard. It's 5:40. Maybe my screen doesn't even work. At this point, who fucking knows? I'm not going to tell you what I did. There was a hair in the screw. Oh. Do you want to see the gunk? That's glue. I had to melt that. And, you're supposed to do that with a heat gun, you know? A heat gun. I was not spending money on a heat gun because I'm cheap as shit. And I do anything to cut my expenses. Hold on a second. Let me check what I have to do next. I have to take out those screws too. Luckily I got my handy tool. Ooh, I can't mess that up. That's the battery. I have a love-hate relationship with this phone. I am going to take care of this like it's a baby. This one is near a whole bunch of vital parts. I hope I don't mess up. Okay. All the screws are out. Hold on. This is supposed to be the easy part, but it's not easy. That's a bad idea. It's a bad idea. That's a really, really bad idea.
Phillips 000 screws holding the NFC antenna and charging coil assembly in place.
We'll lift it right out my asshole. You know what they did? They hit it with music. So the poppy noises didn't scare you. I dropped it.
Disconnected.
The lady just said I have to do more heating and prying.
As before, heat from our eye opener, suction cup to lift and separate, and cut away the adhesive.
She says it's so fucking cheery. Suction cup to lip, separate, and then cut away the adhesive. Yeah, fucking right, bitch. It's gonna take me forever to do this now. Hey, at this point, if I break the phone, I'm okay with it. Probably should try to take it off the right way, but have you ever just hit a point where you're just like done? I'll apply heat, okay? I wasn't kidding about the blow dryer. I feel like I can hear now. Ooh, that's hot, that's hot. I forgot how hot it gets. I have to remember that the back of this phone is open.
screens, don't be afraid to apply more heat. Once you've freed the display from the adhesive, lift the display up and off the midframe.
That's not what it's supposed to look like. That's what it's supposed to look like. Okay. Alright, now just do everything in reverse, right? I think. I really thought I had gotten the wrong screen for a second because I was holding it upside down. So a few weeks ago, called the repair store, and I was like, I have the screen with the digitizer from my phone. Do you think you could repair it for me? He's like, do you have the frame? I was like, no. Like, because that part actually came with a frame, so like I could literally just have like this and I wouldn't have to do anything else. Making it easier on them. I mean, this is no beginner's project. That's all I gotta say. So he's like, yeah, I can't do it. And I'm like, look at me now, bitch. Look at me now. I'm not forgetting anything. Am I forgetting anything? That goes in. This here. This goes back here. So easy. I hope it powers on. I'm computer science. And I'm hardwaring right now. I should just have a double major in computer science and computer engineering, because I swear to God, you need a degree to fix this. My last phone, Galaxy Note 4. And you could just take the back off. Screen replacements were easy. The back wasn't glass. I don't got beef with this phone. I mean, I'm kind of sad it's not waterproof anymore. But, well, I mean, if you saw what my phone looked like, before I started this, you would see that it was definitely not waterproof, but finally. Alright. Next part. All the screws are in. So if you were wondering what I meant by the camera situation, I had to like punch it out of the phone because it was like stuck in there. Alright, so what's good is that they put sticky there so I can stick this back on. Is the fingerprint reader, which was what I was most worried about. Alright, I didn't forget anything, right? There's no going back. Alright. I'm about to turn my phone back on. I don't want to. It's working. Bill Gates, who? Bitch, get the fuck out of my lane. Holy shit, I did it. Oh, I have to put my SIM card back in. I can't get it back out of the phone. I have to Google this.
It was at this moment Jackson knew. He fucked up.
Let's try this again.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome in a Nexus 5.
My SIM card just flew across the room. did it.